NVIDIA GB300 Superchip, everything you need to know. AI models are growing bigger, smarter, and more demanding every day. But can traditional GPU infrastructure keep up? Meet the NVIDIA GB300 Superchip, the technology powering the next generation of AI factories. What is NVIDIA GB300? The NVIDIA GB300 combines NVIDIA-grade CPUs with next-generation Blackwell Ultra GPUs into a unified AI computing platform. Designed for large-scale AI training, inference, and reasoning, the GB300 powers everything from enterprise AI deployments to trillion parameter language models. In its flagship NVL72 configuration, an entire rack behaves like a single giant GPU, enabling unprecedented performance and scalability. What makes GB300 different? The secret lies in NVIDIA's second-generation NVLink architecture. GB300 allows GPUs and CPUs to share memory seamlessly, dramatically reducing bottlenecks and accelerating AI workloads. Compared to previous generations, GB300 delivers higher memory capacity, faster communication, and significantly improved AI reasoning performance. It's built specifically for agentic AI, multimodal models, and the future of large-scale AI factories. Why it matters for businesses? For enterprises, GB300 means faster model training, lower latency inference, and the ability to run increasingly complex AI workloads efficiently. Whether you're building advanced AI assistants, autonomous systems, or next-generation analytics platforms, infrastructure like GB300 becomes a strategic advantage. Cyfuture AI Solution and CTA. With Cyfuture AI, businesses gain access to high-performance GPU infrastructure designed for modern AI workloads. From on-demand GPUs to dedicated AI clusters, Cyfuture AI helps organizations scale AI projects without the complexity of managing hardware. Ready to power the future of AI? Explore enterprise-grade GPU infrastructure with Cyfuture AI today.